Hi, I'm Melanie, Dole's registered dietitian, and today we're celebrating America's most popular fruit on Banana Day. So for National Banana Day, we're making one of my favorite recipes, banana ice cream. I love this recipe because I love chocolate ice cream. My husband loves this recipe, my 2-year-old daughter loves it, and as a registered dietitian, I feel really good about making this as a treat, especially over the past couple of weeks when we found ourselves inside eating foods we normally don't eat. It's time to get creative about eating healthy, having fun with your food, still enjoying your food, and kind of getting back into a healthy routine. So this recipe is a hit. It has 4 ingredients, so it's really simple to make. I use 3 frozen bananas, 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla, and then about 1/3 of a cup of almond milk. We call for almond milk. You can use any milk that you like, whether it's whole milk, skim, soy. It's a really versatile recipe. Before I put this in the blender, I want to just talk about the banana a little more. I stocked up on bananas about maybe a week and a half ago, and these guys are looking pretty speckled. Today I'll probably take these, peel them all, leave them whole, and put them in a Ziploc bag and just put them in the freezer. So when it comes time for me to make more banana ice cream one night, make banana bread, banana pancakes, any baked item that calls for bananas, I'll have them on hand. And if I leave them whole, then I'll know how much I'm pulling out. And the darker you let them get, the sweeter they will be. All you do is put this into your, everything into your blender. So let's let this go. Let me put this into a bowl. It's really smooth, smells like chocolate. So here you have it, banana ice cream. You can top it with nuts, chocolate syrup, you can put some coconut flakes on top. If you're interested in trying our banana ice cream for National Banana Day, please visit us at dole.com. We have this recipe, other banana recipes, of course, as well as a healthy eating toolkit and other downloadable resources that can help keep you and your family focused on nutrition and, more importantly, busy while we're spending this time inside. Thanks for visiting.